Hello everyone. Today we are going to study chapter number 11 of English grammar. Transformation of sentence. So everyone, before going forward on this chapter, we should know what is transformation of sentence. So everyone, transformation of sentence is the changing of sentence from one form to another without changing their meaning. Means we will change the sentence from one form to another. Whatever form we are to change, we will change it, but its meaning should not get changed. That's called transformation of sentence. So everyone, here first transformation is sentence given of remove to. So everyone, as you know, so in that first sentence we have she is too weak to walk. Okay everyone, too weak. So here this one too we will remove. In place of that we will write so, and this one too everyone shows negativity of the sentence. Means when we will remove this two, sentence will be negative itself. Okay, so in place of this two we will write so. When we will remove this one too from this sentence, so everyone we will write that then she we will take from this subject cannot walk. Suppose here was will be, so we will write could not. If same the sentence opposite, if so this like sentence will come, we will make this in this way. If this like sentence will come in the second, this will be written remove to, so we will make in this way. Okay, then everyone same about second active and passive voice. Means subject in active voice we are reciting a poem, but everyone when we will change this into the passive voice, our subject will become object and object will become subject. Okay, and the sentence if isn't given the present, so you will use is mr. If ing is given, it means being, so you will write like this. A poem is singular, that's why r we will not write. According to our new subject we will write the verb. Okay, so a poem is, then ing is giving, so obviously we will use being, b-i-n-g. So a poem is being recite. So everyone, you should know first of all that in passive voice always we use verb third form. Okay, third form always we use in passive voice. So here reciting, so recited by, we will change into the us, by us. So this is our active passive voice. So everyone, in this way we have next sentence, that is affirmative change into the negative. So suppose everyone we have our sentence like Mohit is one of the most brilliant debaters in our class. So everyone we are to change into negative, but meaning should not get changed. Means here Mohit is the most brilliant. So here we will start writing everyone in the negative. Not obviously we will use not many debaters in our class are as brilliant as Mohit is. Means same is given but without changing the meaning. So everyone, this you remember only that when we change assertive into negative sentence or means we will transform the sentence but its meaning should not get changed. Okay, suppose everyone in assertive this is given I can never doubt you. So everyone when we will change to the negative, interrogative, so we will make the sentence affirmative. Means if sentence is asked in negative we will write in the positive. If positive is being asked then we will write in negative. Okay, so we will write like this, how can I ever doubt you, question mark. Okay everyone. Then the child is very lovely. So assertive it is, we are to change into exclamative sentence. So what a lovely child it is. He is means we are to change according to the transformation of this sentence without changing the meaning. Now everyone, means before going forward you should know that what is degree. So everyone, degree are of three types: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay, so what is positive degree? So everyone, positive degree are those degrees there is no comparison. Means an adjective or adverb that doesn't make any comparison, it's said to be in the positive degree. When there is no comparison between the things. Simple sentence everyone, we will make like this, he is intelligent boy. means simple sentence with subject and verb without any comparison between the things. Okay, second everyone, comparative degree. So everyone, comparative degree are those degrees which shows a comparison between one noun to another noun. Okay, means when adjective or adverb is said to be comparative, shows the comparison between the noun to other noun, that's called our comparative degree, means so comparison. So this will be, in positive we have used he intelligent boy. In comparative we will use he is more intelligent than any other student in the class. More everyone shows the comparison. More we use in the comparative degree, means the word in which two and more syllable word are there. In that we cannot use er or est. For that we will use in comparative more, and in superlative we will use most. Okay. Now superlative. So everyone, superlative degree are those degree that shows the greatest degree of comparison. Means in more we will use in this. In superlative directly there is no comparison, only superlative of greatest degree, that is he is the most intelligent. Full stop. Okay. So everyone, in this way there are 3 degrees. Positive means with subject and verb, comparative shows comparison, superlative shows greatest degree of comparison. Okay, more in comparative and most in superlative. Only this much. Understood everyone? Now we are going to study about the changes of sentence to the affirmative to negative. So everyone, when we change the sentence, so we use also opposite word which is given in the sentences. Like for example everyone, first one. So everyone, for example we have he is sometime foolish, and we have to change the sentence into negative. So everyone, how the sentence will be framed? He is not always wise. Means meaning is same. Sometime foolish means not always wise. So in this way everyone, we will transform the sentence without its meaning transformation. As soon as the sun came out, we started. So everyone, no sooner did the sun came out, then we started. Means we have changed the sentence without meaning. I always speak the truth means I never tell a lie, means meaning is same of them. You can see. So everyone, in this way we will change the sentence to affirmative to negative. Now negative to affirmative, like no one but a fool would act so. So everyone, when we will change this, so only a fool would act so. No, none but we are changed into only. No one is immortal means everyone is mortal. Means here meaning is same everyone. Immortal opposite is mortal. So no one we have changed to everyone, and immortal we have changed to mortal. I left no plan untried. Means no plan, it means every. So I tried every plan. You can see everyone. So everyone, here interchange your affirmative to negative and negative to affirmative. Now everyone, transformation of the sentence to interrogative to assertive and assertive to interrogative. Means this everyone you should know before understanding this one, that if sentence given the positive, so when we will change to the assertive, that we will make positive sentence. Means positive then negative, if negative then positive. Opposite we have to do. Okay. She does not know Sachin Tendulkar. Interrogative it is given, we have to change to assertive. So everyone knows Sachin Tendulkar. Means who does not know. If like this sentence will be given everyone, you will change in this way. Okay. Who can climb such a high peak? Interrogative. See, who can climb? The sentence completely positive. There is no use of not. But we have to change to assertive. So obviously we have to use that negative here. No one can climb such a high peak. So here no one shows the negativity of the sentence. Everyone loves nature. Assertive. Interrogative, we have to change into the negative form. Means who does not love nature. So everyone, in this way we will change this sentence to interrogative to assertive and assertive to negative, vice versa. Okay. Now everyone, we are going to study and understanding about the exclamative to assertive sentence and vice versa. Like What a dark sky. Exclamatory it is given. But everyone, when we will change to the assertive, it we will use where we will find no subject, and what and how will we change to the very. Okay, what a dark sky. The sky is very dark. What we are changing to the very. Okay, how beautiful the sight is. Exclamatory. Assertive we have to change. The sight is very beautiful. What a nuisance. Exclamatory. Now everyone, here we are not finding any subject, so it we will take as a subject. It is a big nuisance. Okay. Oh, that I were a bit. I were a word. Exclamatory. Assertive. I wish. Oh, that we will change to the I wish. I wish I were a word. Alas, we have lost the match. Alas, everyone, shows the sorrow. Your sadness. So you will write, it is sad that we have lost the match. Okay. Then, I had a wonderful time today. We had a wonderful time today. Assertive to are to change into exclamatory. That what a time we had today. Okay. I wish. Opposite is given. See, here we have changed to O. O that I wish. Now I wish is given. We will change to the O. Okay. It is a matter of joy. When everyone, the sentence this will be given. It is a matter of joy. Means hooray we are to write. Hooray, then exclamatory sign. We have won the match. The weather is very fine. How fine the weather is. She paints very beautifully. Assertive into exclamatory. How beautifully she paints. Exclamatory sign. Everyone, exclamatory sign is important when we are changing the sentence into the exclamatory sentence. Okay, everyone. Now, everyone, we are going to understand what means how we change to passive to active or active to passive. Okay. Suppose everyone, we have one sentence. Do they help you? Activities. So means subject to object, object to subject. We have to change. So we have one new subject is you, and in present we are to use is MR. So is you is plural. So are you have third form by them. We are looking after the sick. So the sick are being. ING is given. That's why we will use being. Looks third form looked after by us. Can you solve this puzzle? Active. So means can we will change to can be only. Okay. So this puzzle we will take as subject. So can as interrogative sentence, because interrogative sentence are not like this. We will change to the passive. Affirmative. Sorry. Okay. So if sentence is also interrogative, so in passive voice also we will do in interrogative sentence. Okay. So can we will write can this puzzle. Can is given. That's why be will come. Can this puzzle be solved by you? Okay. So everyone, next, pose this letter at once. These are imperative sentence, everyone. So these sentence, everyone, we will make in two ways. Like we have sentence, pose this letter at once. So everyone, first way is this, that let this letter be posted at once. Or we can do in this way also. You are ordered to post it this letter at once. Means if advice is there after reading a sentence, you will find out there is advice. So you write you are advised to. Request is there, then you are requested to. Okay, in this way we will change the sentence. So everyone, these are few transformation which I have explained you right now. I hope this video will be helpful for understanding this chapter about English grammar about the transformation of sentence. Thank you everyone.